Say hello to ZEEL. This thoughtfully crafted door glass frame streamlines installation with its innovative clip system and minimal design. Here's how to take it apart. You will need a flat pry bar, a hammer, a soft cloth, and the appropriate safety gear. Step 1. Position the pry bar. To start, use the flat, chamfered end of the pry bar, but first, we suggest placing a soft cloth down on the glass to avoid scratching or cracking the glass. Step 2. Wedge pry bar between frame and glass. The pry bar might need to be gently tapped to fit under the frame. Step 3. Push down to lift up frame. Push down on the pry bar to break the tabs holding the frame together. Work slowly around the perimeter of the frame, careful not to damage the glass. Step 4. Remove frame. Your uninstall is now complete. ZEEL is quick and easy to install. Uninstall has a low profile, is our strongest material yet, and comes in a variety of sizes. Introducing ZEEL, the future of versatile frame design.